New OnePlus products are coming our way this September, and while the company itself is excited to talk about the OnePlus TV, which is a completely new product category for the smartphone maker, the arrival of the updated OnePlus 7T series is music to OnePlus fans and geeks. For a long time, we have seen leaks and rumors regarding the upcoming OnePlus phones, and if you have been following them, then you may already have a fair idea about what to expect from the updated OnePlus flagship. Because unlike the last two OnePlus launches, the OnePlus 7T is expected to get a massive upgrade for the rest of 2019. And by massive, we mean numerous upgrades. OnePlus has itself confirmed one of the biggest upgrades to the OnePlus 7T this year, which, as you may know, is a 90Hz AMOLED panel borrowed from the OnePlus 7 Pro launched a few months ago. However, there is more to the OnePlus 7T than just a 90Hz screen. Hence, if you're looking to upgrade to a OnePlus device and the upcoming OnePlus 7T is on your list, these are some of the things that you can expect before you pre-book one for yourself. 1. An upgraded 90Hz display. OnePlus wowed everyone in the summer with the OnePlus 7 Pro's notchless display featuring a refresh rate of 90Hz. The higher 90Hz refresh rate makes for smoother visuals and animation, adding into the user experience. Now, OnePlus has confirmed that it's bringing the 90Hz screen to the regular OnePlus 7T, and in adding from the leaks, the display could sport a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus OLED screen with an in-display fingerprint sensor. However, the front camera will still be sitting in the small notch. 2. Latest Snapdragon chipset. As has been the OnePlus tradition, the OnePlus 7T will get the newer Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset that claims to offer 15% better graphical performance and 4% better CPU performance. For mobile gamers, this could be a great deal. 3. A new triple camera system at the back. The OnePlus 7 had a good dual camera system at the back, but its rivals started offering up to quad camera systems with more versatile lenses. Hence, OnePlus is possibly going to offer a better triple camera system at the back. The leaked spec sheet suggests we might see a similar camera system from the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 7T could get a 48-megapixel primary camera along with a 12-megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom and 16-megapixel wide-angle camera. And most possibly, we could see an iPhone 11 inspired massive camera bump. Leaks also suggest we could see 960fps slow-motion videos from the OnePlus 7T cameras as well. 4. Faster battery charging tech. OnePlus is expected to bring uniform upgrades to all its current phones, and that means the OnePlus 7T will get the same tech as its bigger sibling. According to the leaks, OnePlus 7T will get a reworked 3080 mAh battery that will get Warp Charge 30T support. The Warp Charge 30T could fill up the battery in an hour.